Hello students, and welcome to Module 1, Onboarding. In this module we will learn about Canvas. We'll practice and submit all of our assignments here. We will learn the basics of online navigation, practice discussions and assignments, understand information on the Canvas homepage, our syllabus, the teacher contact page, and student resources. Our objectives: by the end of this module, you will be able to get into Canvas and access the course materials, understand how to contact the teacher, communicate with the teacher by email, reply in our discussion board with other students, find the course overview syllabus page and answer questions, and navigate and submit a text assignment in Canvas and personalize your Canvas account. So if you'd like to find the exercises on the page, just click here and it will take you to the page. So this is Module 1. Welcome to Module 1.